Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Klaviyo flows and segments with exports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Flows tab in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Flows tab to view all your active flows. Select the flow you wish to backup. Open the flow by clicking on its name. At the top right corner of the flow screen, click on the Export button. A dialog box will appear prompting you to confirm the export. Once confirmed, the flow will be downloaded as a JSON file to your computer. Next, return to the dashboard. Now, navigate to the Segments tab in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Segments tab to see all your created segments. Select the segment you wish to backup by clicking on its name. At the top right corner of the segment screen, click on the Export button. Confirm the export in the dialog box. The segment will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. Repeat this process for any additional flows or segments you wish to backup. Ensure that all exported files are saved securely on your computer. You have now successfully backed up your Klaviyo flows and segments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.